Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Shaunneka and today I have a seated yoga stretch for you. This class in particular is to target areas that we neglect. So the neck, the shoulders, the ankles, the feet, the side body, and top of the thighs. Just a few updates before we get into the practice. I did launch memberships on this channel. This is a place where I post extra content. So if you would like to join or check out and see what it's all about, I will leave the link in the description box. And also I've gotten such great feedback on that tapping video that I did maybe 2 or 3 practices ago. And so tapping is something that I do, but I'm not trained in it. And I decided, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and dive a little deeper, do my training, get my certification. So I am also going to be working on that and hope to bring more tapping to you in the future. Today I'm drinking some honey, lemon, and a little bit of cayenne. It's cold, and so I thought if I put the cayenne, it would warm me up a little bit, but I'm starting to feel extra warm, like I'm feeling hot, like I'm about to sweat. So we'll see how the practice goes today, but I hope you enjoy otherwise, and I will see you on the mat. So starting in hero's pose, you're sitting back onto your heels and your toenails are pressing into the floor. And we won't be here for too long. I know it's not quite a comfortable pose for many of us. So let's take our left fingertips to the left and leaning our left ear to our left shoulder. And then just taking that right arm out to the side. And then just playing with maybe bringing it to the back a little bit. Finding that nice stretch in the neck and the shoulder. Gently from here, using your left hand to push your head all the way up. And we'll do this on the other side. So extending your left fingertips out to the left, sprinkling your right fingertips beside you. Right ear drops to your right shoulder. And then just playing with that left hand, left arm. Noting the placement of your chin, just finding that sweet spot. And from here, using your right hand to draw your head all the way back upright. Taking your left fingertips back to the left, you're going to drop your hips over to the right. So maybe you pick your hips up, bring both hips to the floor, and reach to the left with your right fingertips. Nice side body stretch. Next inhale, let's rise. Right fingertips sprinkle beside you, dropping your hips to the left this time, reaching your left fingertips to the right. Next inhale, rise, and we'll come to a seat. Extending your left leg out to the side and drawing your right foot in towards your groin. Flexing your left toes towards the ceiling so that left leg is nice and strong. Bringing your left hand to the inside of the left leg and reaching your left arm up once again. Thinking about opening up the chest. From here, bringing the right arm up, down and around so that you're bringing the hand onto the low back. Maybe you grab your shirt for leverage and then just dropping your left ear to your left shoulder, taking that stretch into the neck, shoulder. You can come down to your forearm if you'd like. And gently from here, remove the hand from behind you. So taking that right arm up and over, turning the torso to face your left foot, left leg, and fold down the left leg. Inhale, coming all the way back up. We're going to bend the right knee, so bring the sole of the right foot to the inside of that left leg, and we're just going to scooch so we're in a nice straight line. So that left leg is straight out in front of you, and your right foot is pulled close in towards your groin. Bringing your right fingertips behind you, inhale the left arm up, and exhale, taking the eye of your elbow and wrapping it around the right knee for a twist. Inhaling here, and exhale, twist. Inhale, and exhale, twist just a little bit deeper. We're going to hold it here for 3, 2, and 1. Gently release. Gaze comes back first, torso follows. Sprinkling now your left fingertips behind you. Inhale that right arm up. And exhale, bend the right elbow to the inside of the right knee. So you're pushing your right elbow against your right knee as you push back with the right knee. Inhale to lengthen. And exhale, gently twist. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist and hold. For 3, 2, and 1. Gaze comes back first, torso follows. From here, taking your right fingertips behind you. Fingertips can point to the back of the mat, and then bringing your right foot just a little bit closer in towards your groin, bending your left foot, bringing the sole of the left foot to the floor. We're going to push up and bring your right knee to tap the floor. Feel that nice stretch, top of the right thigh, and then come back to your seat. 2 more. We'll do this last one here and hold it for 3, 2, and 1. Coming back to your seat. We will repeat all of this just on the other side. So we're going to extend the right leg out to the side, bringing your left foot in towards your groin, taking your right hands to the inside of the right foot, make sure your right foot is flexed, and then reaching up and over with your left fingertips. Instead of collapsing and rounding, think about opening up, expanding through the rib cage. Next inhale, taking your left arm down and around onto your low back. You can grab hold of your shirt or your pant, making sure you're drawing that left ear away from your, make sure you're drawing your left shoulder away from your left ear, and then drop your right ear to your right shoulder. You can come down to your right forearm. That feels good. Next inhale, bringing that left arm that was behind you, framing your right leg, right foot, and folding down. Next inhale, lift the gaze, walk your hands back in, and we're just going to scooch now so that our right leg is straight out in front of us and your left foot is pulled close in towards your groin. Taking your left fingertips behind you, inhale your right arm up, and exhale, wrap the eye of your right elbow around the left knee. Inhale here to lengthen, and exhale, gently twist. One more inhale, lengthen up. And exhale, twist and hold for 3. Remembering that right foot nice and strong. 2. And 1. Gently release. Gaze comes back first. Torso follows. Bringing your right fingertips behind you. Might need to readjust your seat. Inhale the left arm up. And exhale, bend the left elbow to the inside of the left knee and push against the knee as you push back. Inhale here. And exhale, gently twist. Inhale again. Exhale, twist and hold. Gently release. Gaze comes back first. Torso follows. Sprinkle your left fingertips behind you now. And then just scooch your left foot a little bit closer in towards your groin if you need to. Bend the right foot, push your hips up, rock forward, tap your left knee to the floor. Feel a nice stretch in the top of the left thigh. And come back to your seat. 2 more times. One more time, we'll hold it here. For 3. 2. And 1. Coming back to your seat. Whew, that cayenne is making me sweat. It's starting to kick in. All right. Coming all the way down to lay onto your back. Bend the knees in towards your chest. Gently rock. Let's extend the left leg down the length of the mat and interlace our fingers around the right kneecap. Making some ankle rotations here with the right foot. And gently making your way into a twist, taking the left hand to the outside of the right knee and drawing your knee all the way over to the left. And then just scooch like you're actually on your left hip. You can cactus the arms. Gently rolling back onto your back and extending the right leg down and bending the left knee in towards the chest. Interlace your fingers around the kneecap and rotating the ankle here. And switch directions. And taking your right hand to the outside of the left knee, drawing your left knee all the way over to the right. You can cactus the arm. And on the next inhale, come back through center, bending both knees in towards your chest. We'll rock and roll here a few times, making your way up to a seat. Take about 4 rocks or so. So bringing your hands behind the backs of your knees, rock back to rock up, trying to keep your toes off the floor. We'll do about 2 more. Rocking yourself all the way up to a seat. With your eyes closed, lightly placing your hands on your knees. Let's draw the shoulders up towards the ears. Squeeze nice and tight. And on the exhale, drop them down and back. 2 more. Inhale, shrug the shoulders up towards the ears, nice and tight. And exhale, let them go. Last one, inhale. And release. Just taking these few moments now. Coming back to the breath. We'll do 4 rounds, inhaling for a count of 4 and exhaling for a count of 6. I'll guide you through the first one. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Let's take a nice big inhale. Open the mouth and let it go. Gently opening the eyes. I hope you enjoyed this short and quick practice for areas that we tend to neglect. And if you did enjoy it, please like, subscribe, share it with friends and family, and I will see you back here again soon for another practice.